inequalities. I can write a mathematical inequality. Let's do a little review. So I want you to set up and solve this equation. Brett has a $30 online gift certificate. He wants to buy as many books as he can. If each book costs $4 and there is a one-time shipping charge of $2, how many books can he buy? Stop the video now and try to set it up. And then go ahead and solve it. All right, so let's take a look. If Brett has $30 in an online certificate, that's what our total is going to be. He has $4 for each book, $40 or $4 per the book, plus the $2 shipping charge. So now let's solve it. Subtract 2 from each side. I'm left with 28 equals the 4 times the book, divide by 4, divide by 4. We'll get $7. Sorry for the writing. So what it's saying is each book is going to cost $7 for each book. All right, so I want you to in your notebook write the word symbol and then verbal. Draw your line down and I want you to write each of the 5 symbols we've been talking about. All right, let's go through each one in different ways you can hear them. For the first one, it's greater than. You might hear something like more than or bigger than. The next one, these are when it starts to get a little confusing. It's greater than or equal to. You may also hear something like minimum, because this side to the left, why my marker doesn't want to work, this side to the left can be bigger than this. So this is the minimum amount. So it's everything on this side. At least, if it's at least, this has to be the smallest amount, or no less than, because it's the opposite of less than. The opposite of less than would be greater than. So when you say no less than, it's the opposite of less than. Next one is the less than sign, fewer than or smaller than. All right, here's the confusing one. Less than or equal to. Now, since the side to the right has to be, this has to be less than this would be bigger, so this is your maximum or the at most. And again, the opposite of more than would be no more than. Lastly, the equal sign. So we have equal to is the same as and gives. So this is when we're talking equations. These are all our inequality signs. So let's try to write this one. I don't know if it's an inequality or an equation. That's what I want you to figure out. 15 greater than twice a number is 5. So 15 now. Are we using the greater than sign? The answer is no, because there's no is in front of greater than. So that in this case, greater than means plus. Twice a number is equal to 5. All right, so go ahead and try this one. 15, there's the word is. So 15 is greater than, so then we have the greater than sign, the sum of twice a number, sum means add, and 5. Let's try this one. In order to be on a team, you must run a mile in under 10 minutes. Write an inequality to show your time. So let's use T to be our time. And we know we have to be 10 minutes. Now we don't want it to be more than 10 minutes. We want it to be under 10 minutes. So it would be the less than sign. Does it say it could equal 10 minutes? The answer is no. Again, I'm sorry for the writing. So it would be T is less than 10. All right, go ahead and try this one and then start the video when you're ready. In order to qualify for free shipping, you must spend at least $50. So if here's our spending, I'm going to put a dollar sign, And we know 50 is the least amount we can spend. Can we spend more than 50? The answer is yes. So we can spend more than at least the $50. Could it equal 50? Well, if you spend at least 50, the answer is yes, it could also equal 50. So let's get a little more complicated now. Here's a two-step one. Amir had $19 to spend on the carnival for admission and rides. He paid $5 for the admission, so $5 for the admission, plus the $3 for each ride. And he spends a total of 19. So it says, what is the maximum number of rides he can go on? Well, can he go on more rides than the $19 is going to be? The answer is no. So it's going to be the less than sign, because this has to be less than 19. If this is more than 19, he won't have enough money. But it could also equal 19. So your job today is to read through these. These first couple ones are one steps. So I'll help you with the first one. In order to qualify for free shipping, you must spend, here's the words, at least $25 on Amazon. Write an inequality for this given situation. Let X represent the cost. So if X represents the cost, I know I have 25. My job now is to figure out what's the symbol. Well, can I spend more than 25? The answer is yes. I could spend $50 at Amazon and still get free shipping, but it could also equal 25 to get the free shipping. So check out these four. This one, if you're having 3 scores, you may have to add those two numbers together to get the first score, the second score. The third score we don't know. And then it's a multiple choice. Let's look at 5 quickly. Sue and Kathy have $20 for a cab left for a cab fare home. The cab fare is $3 per mile, so this is one of these. $3 per mile plus a $2 fixed charge. And we need it to be $20. The maximum number of miles they will be able to travel. So 20 has to be the smallest number they can go. Nope, I said that incorrectly. 20 has to be the greatest number they can go. This can't go over that because they don't have enough money. So it has to be 20 has to be the greatest number they could go, but they could equal it. They have enough money to actually equal that. All right, go ahead and give them a try. These are not easy, so do your best and just try.